Good morning, everyone. It's our first accumulating snow in Brigantine, New Jersey in 2 years. 2 years. And I woke up to this morning. I think it's supposed to snow until around lunchtime. So it looks like we have about 2.5 inches right now. I'm guessing maybe 3. So this must have been a coastal storm, because that's the only way we get snow in Brigantine, if it comes from the ocean. Otherwise we just get rain. So it's nice to see the backyard covered in white. Dog's going to have a good time out there today. Here's the new house they're building, since you saw the empty lot in the summertime, and maybe some construction over the winter, but that's where they're at right now. Gotta love snow. I wonder how this is going to affect my office this afternoon. Usually when it snows, we get about half the number of patients come in. Well, we'll keep our fingers crossed.